Hello. So this literally just got delivered and I just started opening it and was like, no, let me like open it live. So yeah, this is my first ever TEMU experience. I don't know why. I think I first downloaded TEMU for like cheap furniture, which I didn't end up getting. I got something cheaper on Facebook Marketplace, but let's see what I got. Right, so if you know me at all, then I pretty much have lived in my red cowboy boots for years, and they're really crumbling apart, and they were from Bershka, and the last place that sold them on the internet was ASOS, and they're out of stock, so I can't get them anymore. And I feel like I'm a bit, not too old, but it's just not really my style as much anymore. So I thought, obviously we have to stick with the red because I'm Dorothy. Oh, my cat is fully gone in there, so let me open that out a little bit more so he doesn't, there you go. But I thought these were really cute, and I hope they could actually stick to my leg, because I had some calf boots before that didn't, and they are like this kind of fabric, like fake suede, I guess, and I think they're gonna be so cute. Oh, so yeah, so these are like my new version of my like red cowboy boots, I'm hoping. But I just pretty much whack them with everything, and they make the most boringest outfit the best, because like I didn't realise how much more fashionable my red cowboy boots made me. But like I've been putting like trainers on or like black boots on with like my normal outfits, and I'm just like, this sucks. Like this does not look like a good outfit. Like a couple months back this would have slayed with like my red cowboy boots. So I'm hoping this will start to elevate my outfits again. What's this? So these are my driving gloves. So I got a pair of these years ago, right? From, my cat's just like right near the camera. Oh, they fit. From Fenton. Leave the cushion alone, baby. Leave the cushion alone. Darling, I don't want to take away your fun, but you don't want you to swallow it either. Good boy. What he loves plastic packaging, so that should work. But anyway, so I bought a pair of driving gloves to protect my hands from the, just saw something fun in there, okay. To protect my hands from the sun and aging when I'm driving, because lotion on my hands is just not going to work because I'm a hair toucher, and it will just make my hair greasy. And basically the Amazon ones I got were really big and didn't fit, and these are like kind of like the closest to like fitting. And they're like a nice, also good for like UV lamps too. Not that I really use it anymore, but I think I'm going to start getting my nails done properly. So yeah, anti-aging hand gloves, and I'm going to keep them on because I love stuff like that. I think this is a Christmas present. It is, and it's for my boyfriend who may watch this. Oh, it's not perfect, but it's okay. But it's a badge. I'll show you, because I've given him early Christmas presents anyways, and this was just an add-on. It's a Doctor Who badge. Like, TEMU is not scared of brands, basically. Like, it would just be like flat out, this is Doctor Who. Cool. All right, this tinsel extensions. Oh my gosh, my tongue hurts. Yeah. This one. I've been really excited for these because I've wanted someone to do like professional tinsel in my hair, but I don't think anyone near me does it. Or like if it even lasts, if it's, I don't know. But hopefully these will be so cool. I'm actually going to try some out now because that's cool. So there's 3 sets of them, and they come in 5. Okay, we need to do this right now. Right now, okay. I'll link everything below as well. Although I think things, sorry my darling, didn't mean to scare you. I think things sell out really, oh my gosh. I'm gonna wear these every day. Once I've got the full 5, 10, 15 of these I've got, obviously I need to probably trim them. I've got 15 of these. So literally I could put 5 at the back, 5 on each side. So if I just put all 5 of these on this side, then this is how my hair's going to be looking. I mean, I'm doing it not very well, but And I got rainbow just because I had absolutely no idea what colour to get. I didn't know if gold would work, I didn't know if silver would work, I didn't know if red would be too clashy. I think I'm putting them too far into my hair. Oh yeah, it's just, sorry if you didn't, it wasn't very good at explaining. It's just like an extension clip. So I'm literally just lifting up little bits of hair. Oh, you've already got one there. Ah. And then clipping it. I don't know if you can see any, just like that. So cute. But yeah, I'm gonna need to trim them, but I love that so much. I think if I had red, that would be really cool. I don't know how I'm gonna have to put them back on here, aren't they? Okay. I think I know what this is. Which I think I'm gonna have to take my antlers off again. Oh, no, that just... Got a thick piece of plastic. Oh, I thought it did say it was going to be embroidered, but that's still really cool. Oh, can I adjust it? Yeah. I mean, I'm not really a hat wearer, but, you know, pretty cool. But yeah, it's all very inexpensive bits. I don't think I've got any more headgear, so I can hopefully be rest with this. Okay. Huh. Ooh. Okay, so these boots I also got in green, because oh, they're a slightly different colour to what I expected, but I still love them. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Elevated. I just need to check that they actually fit me, but I'm pretty sure that they will. That looks good, and that leg looks hopefully okay. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit loose, but I would like it to be skin tight. Oh! We have enough toe boots. That are pretty much the exact same, but in black faux leather. I have a sort of a black pair of actually real leather boots, which are similar from Marks and Spencer's. Oh, it's a papa. I'm teasing him before the packaging. But they don't go up my leg, and I love when they come a little bit higher. It's just so much of a cooler look. Again, hopefully these will fit my calf nicely. But yeah, we shall see. So I've got 3 pairs of new boots. Is that it? Ooh. Oh. That's annoying. Okay, so I got tummy hurts. I got a Christmas card for my boyfriend. And then I got some Christmas presents. Oh, there is 2 of them in here. Okay. For my cousin and my auntie. So I'll get out of here. Just like a little, like, tiny something. Because we all lost someone this year, and she loved robins, and she taught me when I was little that literally this. And it's double-sided. So there's 2 of those cards, and then they've got a little robin keyring each. You know, whether they like it or not, I just think that's sweet, and hopefully they'll appreciate the sentiment. But yeah, that is my first order I ever did from TEMU. I have placed several orders since. I think the first thing to arrive was probably one of my third or 4th orders, and that was a another Christmas present actually, which was a piece of tech. And in case he watches it, I'm not going to say, but yeah, it was a piece of tech, but I'll link it all in the description box. And then the second thing to arrive was yesterday, and that was the steps for my cat Twinkle to get up on the sofa. And my first order arrived today. So, and my cat's now in the bag. But thank you so much for watching. Again, I will link everything in the description box. And if no one's told you lately, I'm super, super proud of you. I love you so much, and I'll see you when I next see you.